In this video, I'll show you how to view and download motion captured video clips. Open the SmartLife app. Open the Spotlight bullet camera device. Tap the collapse menu on the far right, the arrow with the two lines below it. This will expand the camera interface options page. Select Messages. Select All. Tap Today at the top to open the calendar. Then select the date with the motion recorded videos you want to view. Use the thumbnail to quickly identify the video you're looking for. To watch the recorded motion video clip, tap the View button above the thumbnail. If you want to download the clip to provide evidence to the police or share footage on social media, please follow these steps. Select the three dots at the top right. Select Download. Then select Download at the bottom of the screen. You will see a message that says Start Download. Select Confirm. You will see a progress circle of the video downloading. You will then see a message that says Download Completed. Select Check Now. This will open the gallery album in the app so you can view it. When you save a motion captured clip, it's stored as an MP4 file in the app's gallery album. Just open the gallery and you'll find the video saved alongside your other pictures and videos, ready to share or keep as evidence. This concludes this tutorial for the OSI Spotlight bullet camera. Watch the following videos to ensure your settings are correct. This includes motion detection, human detection, activity area, alarm sensitivity, and night vision and motion activated spotlight. You can also learn how to view and save motion captured clips. You can find the direct links to these videos in the description of this video.